Right, I got this it's a power supply tester. You've got various connectors on it, different computer connectors. Got a SATA connector, your 20 and 24 pin motherboard, 6 and 4 and an 8 pin CPU. You've got a floppy drive, your Molex, and I'll just show you on this one. That's the power onto this, but there should be there's no actual power going to it yet until the wee green cable shorts out to a negative. So what we'll do is we'll do that first. There you go. Right, hopefully you can see this. I've been having some trouble with you seeing the display. It's really clear, the display, but I'm not sure why you can't see it. So hopefully this time. You've got various voltages. You've got a bleep because one of them isn't plugged in yet. You've got a SAT, which is this one. Yeah, did I get it the right way around? Yep, this way. Here tells me the voltage down there, 12, 3.3 and 5. And you get a floppy drive, 12 and a 5. Molex, again 12 and 5. And I think that was about it really. And we've got CPU as well. So there's the second 12 volt. So I don't know if you can read this, but it says 12 volt is 11.6, 11.7, the 5 volts is 5, the PG, which is the time delay from the switching it on, is 300 milliseconds, which is 0.3 of a second. 5 volts is reading exactly 5, 12 volts is 11.7, and the 3 volts is exactly 3.3. So it's good for just making sure all your voltages are good. And it saves you having to stick a meter in here just to make sure the voltages are good as well. It does everything at once. So that's this. Hopefully you can see that. What I'll do is I'll take a quick photo as well, just in case you can't see it with this GoPro.